Dear student, I am going to teach you articles. I had already taught you uses of a, an and the. Here are few exercises I had written. First one is fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Dash Godavari is in India. Godavari is name, so it is a particular noun, so we will write here the. Firstly, I want to tell you that a or an means one. We are talking about one thing. एक चीज़ के बारे में बात होती है. और a is used with consonant and an is used with vowel and the is used for particular things. So Godavari is a name here, so we will write here the. Dash dog is running after the car. Dash dog. Dog is here singular thing. Here singular, only single dog. So we will write here, and it is consonant also. So we will write here a. Taj Mahal. It is a particular noun. All of you know about Taj Mahal. So it is a particular noun. So we will write here the. The order a pizza. He ordered a pizza. What he ordered? A pizza. एक पिज्जा उसने ऑर्डर किया था. He loves to read dash Ramayan. Ramayan is a holy book. It is also a particular thing. So we will write here the. The sun. Sun is a planet. So it is a particular noun. So we will write here the. He went to dash shop. Here is a shop, individual shop we were talking about. So we will write here the. इस सेंटेंस में the का यूज एक शॉप एक स्थान के लिए यूज हो रहा है, क्योंकि इस सेंटेंस में इसी ये एक नाउन है. सो वी विल राइट हियर द. An ass has tied to a tree. Ass. Here is a. It is vowel, so we will write here an. There is a basket on the table. Here is noun, but it is start with consonant, so we will write here a. Mother gave me dash orange. Here is o, it is vowel, so we will write here an. बेटा जहाँ पे वॉवल्स होते हैं वहाँ पे हम एन लगाते हैं, जहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट होते हैं वहाँ पे ए लगाते हैं, जैसा मैंने आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ाया है. और द पर्टिकुलर चीज़ों के लिए जो अपने आप में जिनकी पहचान अलग से हो, जिनको किसी पहचान के मोहताज ना हो, उनके आगे हम द लगाते हैं. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद ए और एन और द टू कंप्लीट स्टोरी. Sun. Here is sun. It is also planet. There is only one sun in the sky, so it is particular noun. So we will write here the. The sun is rising in the sky. Sky is also one thing. So we will write here the. It is also particular thing. Dash bird is flying in the sky. Dash, it is here consonant, or one bird. एक चिड़िया आसमान में उड़ रही है. सो विल राइट हियर एक. एक मीन्स एक किसको बोलते हैं? अ को हम एक बोलते हैं. सो विल राइट हियर ए. डैश फार्मर इज स्टैंडिंग विथ टू ऑक्स. हियर इज अ फार्मर. इट इज नाउन एंड स्टार्ट विथ कॉन्सोनेंट. in this sentence there are two numbers also. He is stand with oxens, but here is singular number, so we will write here a. The farmer is taking 2 oxen for grazing. फार्मर जो है ऑक्सन को किसके लिए? ग्रेजिंग के लिए, यानी घास खिलाने के लिए ले जा रहा है, ग्रेज कराने के लिए, खिलाने के लिए जा रहा है. देन हियर द फार्मर, बट सेम फार्मर इज रिपीटेड हियर, सो इट इज हियर दिस नाउन इज बिकम्स पर्टिकुलर नाउन. देयर इज डैश वेल नियर द हट. There is, here is noun, but it is one, so we will write here a, and here is consonant also. Near the hut. Here is hut, noun, and there is consonant, so we will write here the. Where the farmer lives. Dash birds is sitting on the ground. Here is, we are talking about singular word. and it is start with B. So we will write here A, and but where birds is sitting? In a ground. The ground is particular thing where it was sitting. So we will write here the. Here is your videos over. Now you will do this exercise in your grammar book and read it 4 or 5 times. Try to understand. Thank you.